Have you ever added starch to your oatmeal fufu? This video, I'll be showing you guys how I add starch to my fufu to make it soft, easy, and good to eat. You don't want to miss this at all. Keep watching as I show you how I achieve my oatmeal fufu. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make my oatmeal swallow from scratch. Okay, I have my oatmeal. I have a bag of oatmeal, as you can see, and I have starch also. That is my secret ingredient that I will be adding to my oatmeal. Okay, first of all, what I'm gonna do, I will blend my oatmeal as you can see me doing right now. I'm gonna blend it. Then after blending, I will be adding like a 2 teaspoon of starch. Okay, that starch make it to be slimy a little bit. Okay, I don't like when my oatmeal is so, after making it, is so strong. I don't like it. And I came up with this method. After adding starch, the oatmeal will be slimy, it will be soft, it will be yummy. Guys, you need to try it. If you haven't tried this method, try it and you will thank me later. Okay, this is my secret ingredient that I had to my oatmeal fufu. I had a little bit of starch to my fufu, and it will give it that soft and smooth look. Okay, keep watching, just watch what I do. It's very easy, it's very simple to do. Thank you so much. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. I love you guys.
One again, oh. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Go make up for this day. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. Can change a man, don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but that's how the storyline be. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man, that's all the matter. Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my own, people go just criticize. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like saying a bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's all the matter be.
Okay guys, after blending my oatmeal, now it's time for me to make the oat swallow. Okay, I have my water that is boiling already on the pot. I'm going to take some of the water away. Then now I will use the amount that I needed for the oatmeal swallow. What I'll do, I'm just going to be adding a little bit of the oatmeal. I'll be adding a little by little till I come to my desired measurement, the desired quantity that I want. I'll keep stirring and stirring and stirring. That's it, guys. Very easy. I'll keep stirring, as you can see. Now I think that is the amount I wanted. If it's too soft, you can add more to it. I just added more to it, and I will keep stirring. This method of adding starch to your oatmeal is very good, guys. If you haven't tried before, just give it a try and you will love it. It doesn't make your oatmeal to be strong, okay? Because I noticed that if I make oatmeal without no starch, after 2 minutes the oatmeal will just get thick. It will just get strong, and I don't like that. I don't like it when it's strong. But I decided to add starch. That is the process I've been using for a long time now. That is my secret ingredient that I add to my oatmeal fufu. I have a little bit of starch, and it will make it soft. Okay, if you haven't tried this method, try it and you will like it. I'm just going to stir, keep turning, guys. Do you see the difference? Do you see that elasticity that is on the swallow? That is because of the starch that is added to it. After turning it to my desired consistency, then I will add a little bit of water. I'm going to add water to it. Then I will cover. Then I will allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes before the oatmeal swallow is finally ready. Okay, see, I'm adding water. Then I will cover it, allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes later, then I will stir it all together again. I'll continue stirring it till it is finally ready. Then I will serve. I'm going to be eating this with my oilless okra soup. As you see how this oatmeal fufu is coming out. I love this method. If you haven't tried, guys, go and try it. Okay, guys, the oatmeal swallow is ready. Now I will wrap it up in my plastic wrap. Okay, I'm going to do this process with all the oatmeal swallow. Okay, I'm using my plastic wrap to wrap it up. You see, guys, looking so good. I'm doing the same thing with the rest part of the oatmeal swallow. Then I will enjoy my oatmeal swallow with my okra soup. I make oilless okra, and I will be enjoying this with my oilless okra soup. Okay, now it's time to eat. I just want to show you guys the consistency of the oatmeal. Guys, look at it, guys. It's so soft. It's so soft. I love the consistency. It's not that strong at all. Look at it, guys. Look at the way the oatmeal is very soft. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up for me. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.